Okay, right now, we are going to add matrices. The first step before we start is that the matrices have to have the same shape if you're adding or subtracting. So same shape, both of them. So if I have a matrix, let's do number 1, 5, negative 4, those are separate numbers, plus 4, 5. To add these, this is the hardest thing you'll ever do today, but you add the first two, the numbers that are in the same position. So that would be a 9, 1 would be your answer, 9, 1, because 5 plus 4 is 9, and negative 4 plus 5 is 1. If they're a different shape, let's say like number 3, this was number 1, number 3. Number 3 says 3, 1, 6, added 2, 4, negative 1, 2. These are not the same. It's rows by column. So this is going to be a 1 by 3, and this is going to be a 3 by 1. So this is no solution. When you try to add these in your calculator, it will say dim mismatch, which means dimension mismatch, which means you can't add them. So when you get that error message, you know you can't add them. All of these can be keyed in your calculator and checked.
So it's a different shape.
All right, so here, if you put this in as matrix A, this one right here, and this one in as matrix B, and put it in your calculator as matrix A plus matrix B, you can check your work. So on number 6, this sign here can only be used once. And I'm going to leave this as a minus and then just deal with this 4 as a positive 4. So before you can add the 2, you have 6, negative 3. You FOIL in that 4, minus, and then 16, 28. Does everybody see what I did? I multiplied 4 by 4 and 4 by 7. And now you subtract. So 6 minus 16 is negative 10. And negative 3 minus 28 is negative 31. In that last section, I want you to do this totally on the calculator. So you're going to take the first guy and set it up as matrix A, the second guy and set it up as matrix B, and the third guy and set it up as matrix C. And then all you have to do on your calculator is select A plus B and get your answer and write it out as your answer, okay?